All of you are new to Weighted Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and make sure to keep watching till the end. I have a lot to cover, guys, and there's a lot of announcements as well. So again, make sure to keep watching till the end. This is our YouTube channel. Those of you who don't know, it's Weighted Waves, and this is where we post our weekly Forex forecast, by the way, here. So you can check them one by one. Now, last week we have posted this one, which is, as you can see, 6 days ago. If I go to this forecast, this was DXY. Look at this one. This is 6 days ago. And this is how we're forecasting DXY to go to the upside dollar index, and market went up as expected. Perfect to 107. So that's the before. We can call this as before. And if I go to the charts, this is the after. If I go to the 1 hour just to show you the structure in detail, if I zoom in, this was the move. Crazy accuracy, perfect move to the upside from here to here. This 107, by the way, okay? As you can see, this 107, and this was the move to the upside. I'll show you again. This was the before, and this is the after. Fantastic, and of course, all the majors will follow accordingly. Now, before I start the forecast, I just want to show you as well gold prediction. So if I go to gold, as you can see, we forecasted this one to go to the upside, the dollar index, plus the gold. We said gold, high probability chance, market will go to the upside to break this top as well. So as you can see, it's the same forecast, of course. If I go to gold now to show you the after, look at this one. So gold went to the upside from here all the way up to this level. What are these arrows? This was, by the way, one of our trades of the week. I'll show you this one shortly, all right? So gold moved to the upside. It was crazy. And dollar moved to the upside as well. Perfect one. To the pip, it was high accuracy. So this was the gold, guys, last week, and this was the dollar index. I just want to show you something before I start the forecast. If I scroll down, again, I'm not actually criticizing or something, just I want to show you a few things here regarding the comments. So here, as example, this follower, he was saying, your wave analysis telling you that gold will go up, and my wave analysis telling me that gold will go down to 2560. We will see next week. So I hope you get the answer. And that's why, guys, we always say you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. And remember, you are not the only one who was predicting gold to go to the downside. There's a lot of people who actually got liquidated by selling gold from the levels, okay? So that's why we were expecting market to go to the upside, and we have our unique wave analysis concept. You have, guys, to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. That's important. Plus, not only for this comment regarding gold, if we go to this one, this DXY as well, people, they're saying like it will go down, believe it or not. And we said, no, DXY will go up. And that's exactly what market have done. And by the way, guys, thanks a lot for all your likes, comments, and share on our videos. This actually, it's appreciated. It's really appreciated, okay? So for this one, I hope, guys, you made money trading the XY to the upside. Of course, the major to the downside, and gold to the upside as well. It was perfect. Again, one announcement before I start. Our Discord server, guys, is live now, and you can anyway join WW Pro and get access to it from day one, straight away. So we have posted this one on Telegram. This is our Telegram channel. It's at Weighted Waves. You can find all our official links in the description under this video. And it's posted anyway on Instagram as well. And this is the Discord group. Just to show you quickly what we were doing here inside Discord last week. Again, just a few announcements, guys, before I start the forecast, because it's important. So as example, last week, Rob was conducting a long session, which was 4 hours. Crazy. Thanks a lot, Rob, for doing that. And our members actually were anyway thanking Rob here and taking advantage of it. And this is the chance that you will get access to as soon as you join WW Pro. All these channels, of course, the course notes, the trading tools, library, strategies, examples, all of this one, trade setups as well. And these were the trading channels as well. If you go, you can see commodities. As example, you can see this one. This as example, Nafi posting the gold chart to the upside, and most of you know where gold is at the moment. We've got this up wave, and then from here we've got the drop. And this is as well stocks, pound pairs, to the inside this group as well. Look at this. This is Mustafa is posting pounds to the downside, and market, I believe it has fallen here. And all the sessions that you can see here, from the daily sessions to day recordings. These are the daily sessions, by the way, posted by our seniors. Every day we have a session, and this is the session schedule for the daily sessions, okay? Of course, the Sunday sessions and Wednesday sessions as well will be posted inside the Discord. So it's all in one platform here. You can get everything here. Anyway, I've posted this one inside the on the website regarding the Discord. And if you join, guys, the WW Pro membership, you will get access to this dashboard. And just I want to show you something, guys, regarding the trades of the week. Like I said to you, gold was one of them. And look at this. This was posted after the Sunday session. The Sunday session is conducted by T every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time for WW Pro members. So look at this one. This was gold to the upside. And most of you know where gold is at the moment. These are the arrows that I showed you here. This was posted before on December 8th, which is last Sunday. All right, and of course, we have as well Euro New Zealand as trade of the week. Last week went to the upside as well, more than 200 pips. So this is the before. Again, I'm showing you guys how many setups, how many trades, and the high accuracy of weighted waves, wave answers concept. All right, plus the trades as well that our members were sharing, and we were sharing as well during the Sunday sessions for WW Pro members. So this is Euro New Zealand. Look at this one. This is the before. Just this is small recap, guys, before I start the forecast. And this is Euro New Zealand. Look at this one. We've got this pullback to exactly this zone, pullback, and then up again. Market is pushing the upside, and most probably it will go up again to touch this level once more. So this went to the upside, and also gold went to the upside as explained and as predicted. Okay, again, to get access to all of this, guys, you have to just join one solution or like one membership, which is this one, WW Pro. Okay, so once you click here, you will follow the instructions and you will get inside the Discord. Also, all our paid members, this is the Discord community inside the dashboard. So once you click here, just to show you again how to access it quickly, once you click into the Discord community, you will get access to this tab. And if you scroll all the way down, this is the invitation link here on where or how to join the Discord. This is the invitation link of the Discord server, all right? And this is a small video explaining you how to verify your account. So for that, I think this is clear, guys. And let's go back to DXY to explain you what's next. Again, I hope, guys, all of you made money because it was crazy week. And just the latest, I would say the last announcement before I start the forecast, this will be our last Forex forecast, guys, for this year. So for 2024, this will be the last Forex forecast on YouTube. Of course, for the Sunday session and daily session will continue as usual. So the Sunday sessions, it will not stop, only the weekly Forex forecast on YouTube. So on the 21st and 28th of December, there won't be any video, guys, on YouTube regarding the Forex forecast, weekly Forex forecast, but the Sunday sessions will continue as usual, and more updates regarding that will be by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. Why I'm saying that? Because there is a long-term session. It will be very important. You have to attend it. It's again, it will be conducted by T, by the way, where we'll cover the big moves regarding next year, from the crypto to the indices to the stock market, to a lot of things actually regarding the pairs, because we are expecting next year to be impulsive, which means we'll have a lot of impulsive waves and big trends that you have to take advantage of it. All right. I hope, guys, thank you very much for again staying with me regarding these announcements, and let's start with the XY as usual. For this one, like I said last week, we're expecting market to push to the upside. Market went up as expected. What's next, Alan? For this one, I'll give you the short-term move, because the long-term move, it will be we'll be waiting for the structure to complete. Okay, so for this one, I can see this actually pushing up once more. So the short-term move for the XY is toward the upside. If you're in the buy, you should be in the buy anyway. And if you're in the buy, you have to manage your trades. Now, those of you are not in, we do not suggest you to go for the buy from the current level. So personally, I will not be buying the XY from the current levels, because we are at a critical zone. So anytime for the XY at the moment, we have two scenarios or two possibilities. Logically speaking, and regarding Trump administration policies, and regarding the timeline when the Trump will come to the office, and all of this, we still need to see the XY going up a bit before it starts to fall. After, of course, the interest rate decisions and what will happen next. So logically speaking, fundamentally speaking, and again, from in regards to the timeline, we can see the XY pushing up more. Technically wise, from the technical point of view, the XY is ready to fall. So anytime if we get a sharp drop and then a corrective structure, this is a sell. All right, guys? So again, at the moment, we can see it going to the upside first, and after the upwave, we'll update you. This upwave, it can go all the way up to break this top once more. If this happens, guys, if I'll not be with you here. The daily sessions, I would say the WW Pro members, they will get the updates inside the Sunday, Wednesday, and the daily session as well. But for you guys who are on YouTube, if you get this upwave here for market to go up and break this top, you should start to look for the sell setups. Okay, so no buys, only sell setups for the XY. Now, if you get this upwave, the market will break the top, you should look for the sell setups, and this sell can take us all the way down for a big move to the downside. Make sense? So logically speaking, gold or short-term move, gold is toward the upside. The change of structure will be, again, it's not it can go up or it can go down. I'm telling you that the first move is toward the upside, okay? But if we get a sudden drop and then a corrective structure, the structure will change toward the downside and it will be a sell. Exactly, guys? So all of you who were following us since the last few weeks, you must have made money, and especially last week with this upwave. For now, if you are in, manage your trade. If you are not in, wait for market to give you a corrective structure, one push up, and then after that, we will update you. All right? Euro dollar for this one, market went the downside again as expected. Last week we said market will fall, and that's exactly what market have done. If I go back to the YouTube video and I show you the forecast of euro dollar, this was the forecast of euro dollar to the downside. Okay, so this is the before, and if I go back here, this is the after. We've got this corrective structure and we've got this drop. This was a perfect sell. The downside market went as expected, and I really hope, guys, all of you made money trading this drop. Now, it's the same story. Technically speaking, this is ready to push to the upside. Like this, technically, all right? Logically and fundamentally, we can get one more drop before the next upwave. If this will happen, again, I'm not saying we're expecting this. I'm saying actually, if this happens for one more drop to break this low, it will be manipulation where at the end of the year, if this happens, do not miss this buy. Okay, in all the cases, if you ask me personally, I'll be actually looking for buy setups. I'll be waiting for the buy setups to go for the buy for euro dollar, okay? So it's ready technically to go from here for some sort of expansion if we get a corrective structure up again, or if we get one more drop, any new low will be the potential last low within this structure before the last, I would say before the next upwave. Make sense? If that happens to the downside, you look for buy setups, and if we have a manipulation for this drop to break this low, you go for the upside. So again, logically, technically, and even fundamentally, euro dollar is a buy. Okay? You want to risk this one to get a corrective structure, one more drop. You want to sell this, you can go for it. It might be a trade for a scalping trade. Again, if this will be one of the trades of the week, we'll let you know during the Sunday session tomorrow by T at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss those sessions, guys. They are very important as usual. Okay? So, pound dollar for this one, again, we've got this upwave. It was perfect move to the upside. And then after this upwave, we've got this drop. This was a trade, by the way, to the upside. And now we are expecting market to fall. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, one more fall is possible here. If this will be an expanding flat, after this drop, market will push to the upside again. Make sense? So for pound dollar, I would love to see market falling, by the way, to under this low, just to let you know, under this low. So between this low and this low here, which is, and this is the buy zone for me for pound dollar. If we get this down wave, guys, if they actually are pushing the upside to break the top and we get this down wave here, do not miss this buy. It will be a perfect buy to the upside. It will be a crazy buy for pound dollar, especially if market went between 1.23 and 1.20. Some of you might be saying, oh, Alan, this is 300 pips, man. Yes, it's 300 pips, but inside these waves, we can read internally to see the low time frames confirmations to go for the setups, okay? That's why it's really important to know how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Make sense, guys? So for that, I hope this is clear. Gold, it was crazy again. I hope all of you guys made money trading this upwave. Very, I would say, beautiful move to the upside. Perfect setup. We've got all what we want to get here for this upwave, and we've made money trading this up move. Exactly to this hour. I just want to show you guys from here to here. Exactly from here, we get the reaction as well. Why we're saying this one? Because if we get a drop from here and the corrective structure, this would have been a sell again. So first of all, buy, we've made money in this upwave and all the way up to this move. And then after that, market gave us the reaction from here, the downside. Crazy accuracy. I really hope, guys, all of you made money trading this one. What's next? I can see this one, guys, correcting for another drop. So for gold, I can see it falling. I will not be buying gold personally. It's sell setup basically. So any sell we get for the gold, if you get in the buy, you must have made money. If you get in the sell, you must be in profits. Now, those of you are not in, if you get a corrective structure, it's a sell. So for gold, I'm looking for the sell setups, and under this low will update you, because if you get a buy setup under this low here, under the liquidity pool here, if we get a buy setup, we might go for it. But again, the structure might change, and all the details will be covered by T during the Sunday session, Wednesday session, and during the daily sessions conducted by the seniors every day. All right, guys? So for that, again, regarding the info, regarding the, I would say, WW Pro membership, all the details are on our website, in the description under this video, and in the first comment as well. So for this one, I hope this is clear. Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the downside. Looks like we'll get one more fall before the next upwave. For Aussie dollar, any new low will be the potential last low before the next up wave. So watch this one, guys. Wait for market to give you the buy setup. I'll be looking for the buys only. So only buy for me. Market can fall more, of course. I'll be ignoring any sell setup. I'll be focusing on the buy setups only. So Aussie dollar is actually a buy. And if we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. New Zealand dollar for this one is exactly the same. Short term, we can get again more drops, drop, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, drop, and then after that, market will push to the upside. The levels will be covered by T during the Sunday session. Do not miss them. They'll be very important as usual, like we gave you gold and Euro New Zealand and all the other pairs as well. Dorian for this one, market went to the upside. After this up wave, we are expecting market now to give us a corrective structure for one more push up. All right. So Dorian, I'm expecting this one to push to the upside. Any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. If you get your buy setup, you go for it. Dollar Swiss for this one is exactly the same. Market gave us a corrective structure and then up. After that, corrective structure here, one push up is very possible for Dollar Swiss. If you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. Dollar CAD for this one in reverse, anytime this can start to fall. So for Dollar CAD, if we get a sell setup for Dollar CAD, we will go for it. So if I want to sell dollar actually, or any dollar pair, I'll be going for Dollar CAD. Okay, and this will be a big move to the downside. We are expecting this to give us an impulsive wave. Again, it might be one of our long-term trades that will be covered by T. Again, like I said, guys, this will be the last Forex forecast for 2024 on YouTube, but the Sunday sessions, Wednesday session, and the daily sessions will continue as usual for the paid members. Any update, you will get it inside the group. Okay, so for this one, again, I'm expecting market to drop, and anytime we get a sell setup, we will go for it. USOIL for this one, market went to the upside, and then after that, we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure, another up wave. This will push higher, guys, and again, it's a sideways move, but like I said last week, in all the cases, if I need to take a direction, it's towards the upside. So USOIL, it will be pushing to the upside. I'm combining this with, again, what will happen next year and with the Trump administration as well, and how all what they are planning to do will impact the market. Again, this topic will be covered in details inside the long-term, during the long-term session. Long-term session, guys, is for the paid members, all right? So Bitcoin for this one, market went to the upside as expected. It's still going up now, and I'm expecting this one to push higher. Like we said previously, 108 is the reaction level, 108.5, okay? Why is that? I explained you this before, but I can repeat that. I'm expecting, guys, market to give us a major drop after this one. This might be a tweet from Trump or any announcement from Trump that will push this to the downside, okay? Now, some of you will be saying, oh, Alan, what are you talking about? He said actually never sell your Bitcoin. I'm aware about that, guys, all right? But remember, there is a lot of things behind the scene, okay? So for this one, I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop after reaching 108, 108.5. All of you know the accuracy regarding Bitcoin. We're forecasting this one step by step, wave by wave from here. This is the protected low. And we said from here, Bitcoin is a buy, buy. And now we're saying to you, be careful. This will be falling, okay? Now, of course, we can be wrong, but most of you know our high accuracy. This drop, it will make actually, it's a liquidation drop, basically. So it will be a liquidation phase, and this can actually extend and be a big one. Again, I'll not explain this in more details here because I will keep this for the paid members. We have a lot to say regarding Bitcoin cryptocurrencies inside or like during the long-term session. US30 market started to fall. I think this will be just a pullback for another upwave. Okay, so any pullback is just, this is an uptrend, and any pullback is just a pullback for a trend continuation pattern. One push up is very possible, and this can push higher again, I would say in 2025, especially in the first few months of 2025. So for that, again, if market will do any sort of manipulation, you know what to do here. Every drop is a buy opportunity, is a pullback, okay? Trading wise, of course, you can sell every new top if you'd like to as a scalping trade. But for those of you who are investing this one, who want to go for the trend or who are trend followers, you need to go for the buy setups every time market gives you a pullback or a complete corrective structure. Guys, with that note, I really hope you actually, you had a great trading year. For us, it was crazy. It was amazing. All our members are actually benefiting. We have a lot of innovations inside Weighted Waves. Next year, we have a lot of things, a lot of automations for the Discord community as well. We'll add a lot of things regarding investments, regarding stocks as well. And a lot of things is in the plan for Weighted Waves members. You know how much actually, or how many members were succeeding inside Weighted Waves. You can check that anyway here on the website. If you go to this one, weightedwaves.com, you go to the Why Us page. I just want to show you this one quickly before I end the session. So look at this one. You can check this one anyway. This is the, I would say, track record of us. This is the videos for members. And here underneath, you can see a lot of success stories. A lot of success stories as well are on our social media platforms. You can check this one. You can check the success stories here. And you can see plenty of them. Okay? So for that, this is what you need to do, guys. If you want to succeed in trading, if you want to succeed as a trader and become an independent, successful trader, this is our goal, by the way, our mission. If you want to do that, if you want to achieve that, do not risk more time, do not lose more time and money. Make sure to invest in yourself, learn how to trade correctly, and then after that, you risk your money. Please, guys, take this advice as actually as serious as possible and makes it 2025 your year to become independent, successful trader. If you want to succeed, you have to join the successful traders. You have to join the successful people. And we are successful. We are the best. We know that, and that's what our members are saying at the same time. You can check our Trustpilot profile. You can check all the success stories. And anyway, I'm here with you every week since the start of 2019, I believe. Okay? So for that, before joining anyone, make sure to do your due diligence, search about us, see if we're actually the real deal or not. And then after that, you take decision. But what I can tell you, there is no lock-in period. Try us for 1 month. If you think that it's not valuable, if you think that this is not what you want, you can cancel anytime. But I know like a lot of you actually, they wait for the right time, but it's not about that. It's actually to take action right now at the moment. So successful people actually, they do not wait for the right time. They take action instantly. So with that note, guys, I really hope you had again a great trading year. I will see all of you next year on the 4th of January on YouTube, and the rest we see you inside the group. And the daily sessions, Sunday session will be covered as usual without actually an interruption. And with that note, guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from now, and see all of you in 2025. Thank you very much.